Hi students, this is A. Mandri Kumar Rajesh. In this video, we are going to discuss MCQs on genetics. This is my fifth video on genetic MCQs. Let's begin our topic. In female Drosophila, the link gene exhibit recombination during meiosis of gamete formation, but such a recombination does not occur during the formation of sperm in male Drosophila because option A, male Drosophila is sterile, option B, male Drosophila is parthenogenetic male, option C, no crossing over occurs in male Drosophila, option D, male Drosophila is haploid. So option C is right answer. No crossing over occurs in male Drosophila. This condition was discovered by Calvin Blackman Bridges. So no crossing over occurs in male Drosophila is the right answer. In polygenic inheritance trait, which is controlled by 3 pairs of genes, two individuals that are heterozygous for 3 alleles cross each other, such type of cross produce phenotypic ratio. Option A 1:2:1, option B 9:3:3:1, option C 1:4:6:4:1, option D 1:6:15:20:15:15:6:1. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Then the third question. The first mutant reported by Morgan on Drosophila was option A, red-eyed male, option B, red-eyed female, option C, white-eyed male, option D, white-eyed female. So red-eyed male, red-eyed female are dominant character. So option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. White-eyed male. White-eyed male. And he reported in the year 1910. Morgan reported the first mutant in the year 1910. Fourth question. Non-ionizing radiation commonly used for inducing mutation in organisms are dash. Option A, UV rays, option B, beta rays, option C, X-rays, option D, gamma rays. Option A is the right answer. UV rays are called as non-ionizing radiation. So option A is the right answer. The fifth question. Chemical mutagens are far more hazardous than radiation because option A, exposure to chemicals is more prevalent. Option B, organisms possess protection from radiation but no protection from chemicals. Option C, chemically induced mutations are more deleterious. Option D, chemicals are synthetic. So the right option is option B. Organism possess protection from radiation but no protection from chemicals. For example, sunlight contains ultraviolet radiation. Ultraviolet radiation can cause mutation, it can cause skin cancer. But our body has a defense mechanism. That in our body we have melanin pigment. It can act as a shield. It can act as a shield. It prevents the entering of ultraviolet radiation into our skin. So it acts as a shield. So organism possess protection from radiation but no protection from chemicals. Sixth question. Mutagens that are effective on DNA replication only are option A, base analog and acridins, option B, alkylating genes, option C, HNO2, option D, alpha and beta rays. So option A is the right answer. Base analogs are the chemicals which can mimic the nitrogenous base, So this base analog can incorporated into DNA, can incorporated into a DNA which can replace a nitrogenous base, and it can cause mutation. It can increase rate of mutation. Then aggredens dye, it is used to differentiate bacterial cell and white blood cells. So this aggredens dye cells can cause frame shift mutation, and it also effective in DNA replication. So option A is the right answer. 7th question. Both phenotypic and genotypic ratio of F2 are the same. Option A, codominance. Option B, incomplete dominance. Option C, outcross. Option D, more than one option is correct. So option D is the right answer, because in codominance the phenotypic and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, while in the case of incomplete dominant also 1:2:1. So option D is the right answer. More than one option is correct. Who among us the following raised the status of Mendel's generalizations to laws? Option A, Correns. Option B, De Vries. Option C, Tessermott. Option D, Gauss. Option A is the right answer. Correns only gave status to the status of law to the principle of inheritance. Mendel proposed principles of inheritance. Correns only provided the status of law to the principle of inheritance. The next question. Haploids are preferred over diploids for mutation studies because dash. Because the reason is haploids can express their character very obviously. Then in nature, mutation can cause recessive character, In diploids, it is very difficult to trace recessive mutation because it contains dominant gene on other chromosome. That is why for mutation studies, the scientists or the scientific world prefers haploids. So the answer is recessive mutation is expressed in F2 generation. Option B is the right answer. Haploids can express their character obviously very clearly. So option B is the right answer. Then the 10th question. The type of gene mutation that involves the replacement of purine with pyrimidine base or vice versa. So option A, translocation. Option B, transversion. Option C, translocation. Option D, transcription. So option B is the right answer. Transversion. Answer is transversion. 11th question. Mutations induced by fibromoerasils dash. Option A, transversional mutation. Option B, transitional mutation. Option C, frame shift mutation. Option D, backward mutation. So fibromoerasil can cause transitional mutation. Option B is the right answer. Mendel proposed the law of dominance and the law of segregation based on his observation on dash. Option A, monohybrid crosses. Option B, dihybrid crosses. Option C, test crosses. Option D, outcrosses. So option A is the right answer. So he proposed the law of dominance and the law of segregation based on his observation on monohybrid crosses. The 13th question. Deamination of adenine and guanine by nitrous acid and ultraviolet radiation dash. Option A, cytosine and uracil. Option B, xanthine and hypoxanthine. Option C, hypoxanthine and xanthine. Option D, xanthine and uracil. So option C is the right answer. Hypoxanthine and xanthine. Deamination means removal of amino group from the amino acids. Then chromosomes with genes A, B, C, D, E, F, G becoming A, B, E, D, C, F, G is dash. So which type of mutation is it? Option A, duplication. Option B, deletion. Option C, translocation. Option D, inversion. So that mutation is called as inversion. The mutation is called as inversion. Then which of the following genotype represents heterozygous condition? Option A, capital T, homozygous. Option B, small t, homozygous condition. Option C, capital T, small t. So it is a heterozygous condition. Option C is the right answer. Mendel selected Pisum sativum for hybridization experiment because of dash. Option A, clear contrasting characters and short lifespan. Option B, long lifespan and non-fertile hybrids. Option C, presence of unisexual flowers. Option D, infertile hybrids and production of large number of seeds by each plant. So option A is the right answer. Mendel selected Pisum sativum for their clear contrasting characters and short lifespan. So option A is the right answer. The 17th question. Mark the odd one with respect to dominant trait in garden P. Option A, yellow pot. Option B, inflated pot. Option C, axil flower. Option D, yellow C. Option A is the odd man out. So option A is the right answer. Yellow pot. The 18th question. Transmission of genetic characters from parents to offspring is called this heredity. So option B is the right answer. Option B, heredity is the right answer. Which of the following trait of garden pea is present on the 7th chromosome? Option A, pod shape. Option B, pod color. Option C, sheet shape. Option D, stem height. So option C, stem height is the right answer. Sheet shape trait is present on the 7th chromosome of garden pea. Then the phenotype of F1 hybrid resembles either of the two parents in dash. Option A, dominance. Option B, incomplete dominance. Option C, codominance. Option D, intermediate inheritance. So option A is the right answer. Option A, dominance is the right answer. You can find in F1 generation that young ones resembles both parents because they are in heterozygous condition. So that's all about today's video. If you have any doubt regarding these questions, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.